let's have an example of decorator class with a coffee shop example. So in this coffee shop, there are two types of coffees. One is espresso, one is instant coffee. So they are mainly derived. Uh, so let's see. So they are mainly derived from a common family called coffee. So here, abstract class is a coffee is an abstract class. Espresso extends the coffee, and instant coffee extends the coffee. So both are coffee, but having different style of preparing them. So, if a person wants to have some extra items on the coffee, like added flavors to the coffee, we have it in this generation. We have new flavors of coffee every day. A new flavor is generated. So in the same way, so we to this espresso, to this instant coffee, we can add different flavors to that. That is nothing but decorating something. So I have an object of espresso, I have an object of instant coffee, so I can add some more additional functionalities to the object instant coffee and espresso. So how can I achieve that? So I'll be having an decorator class that extends the coffee. So so that uh, so like main thing, like I'll be having a milk. So milk is also kind of decorate. It's a common thing, but it's feature milk. So a coffee should contain milk. So private coffee, uh, I have declared a coffee. It will accept a coffee object and it will assign to that. So for that, so I'll be adding a description milk, and uh, I'll be adding. I'll be adding cost as well. So for that, it will be 30.13. So next, sugar. Sugar is also added to a coffee. So that also extends the decorator class. So it extends the decorator class. Then it will be having. It will be having a description of adding sugar. So then it will be having its own cost and a whip. Whip is kind of a foggy thing that is being added to uh, coffee nowadays. So I don't know that much, but so whip is a kind of a decorator as well. So private coffee, so it will also accept a coffee object. So it will also add add whip to it, description and a cost to it. So so as we can see here, so decorator class, yeah, decorator extends the coffee. So coffee, uh, so it will uh, written description, and cost is being overridden at uh, runtime. So let's see how coffee is being prepared. So simple espresso can be prepared using decorator class. So a new espresso is being instantiated. Simple espresso dot get description. So what I'll get the description of that espresso, and I'll get the cost. So now another customer wants espresso with some other things added to it. So espresso, like I'll declare a new espresso object, and to that I'll add milk to it. So what I'm doing is, to this espresso with the espresso, I'm adding milk to it. So milk object is being added. Then I'll be adding sugar to it. Sugar object is being added. So so it is nothing but adding some extra features to that espresso. Next, let's see instant coffee, how it is being made. So instant coffee. So how instant coffee is made? First, I'll be adding whip to it, then sugar, and then extra sugar. This person wants more sugar, I think so. So sugar and sugar. So I'll be adding sugar and sugar. So next, this is kind of format. This is nothing but us. You can do your summation all as well, but I have added this format sum kind of format sum. It is a function to add the total cost for all these ingredients. So okay, So the next last line is also kind of, it's a normal conversation that a person wants extra web also. So you can read that as well. So next, a web is being added, extra added, and a new cost will be added. So this is all being done at runtime. So for example, let's walk through the code like once again. So first, Expresso is being instantiated. Let's see, Expresso. Wait, here it is. So Expresso is being instantiated. That extends coffee. So to get the description, what I have to do? So description is being instantiated with the name of the coffee, Expresso. So here, Expresso. Then I'll be adding milk. So as we can see, then adding we add. So yeah, here we'll be adding milk. So we'll be passing this espresso to this, and it is a type of coffee, so it will get assigned to it. Then what will be happening? Coffee.get description here. So coffee.get description will add what espresso and milk. So espresso and with milk. Till now we'll be having espresso and milk. So next, what will happen? So next, so to this sugar, we'll be adding sugar as well. So next, sugar. So here it comes. So now what we have added till now. So we have added. It's kind of a chain, if you can imagine yourself. So first espresso, then milk, then sugar. So coffee.get this. So it will also get the unprepared coffee till now, so kind of, so then it will get espresso, and this will be assigned to that coffee. So return coffee.get description. What coffee.get description will give is the milk description, like milk, and it will also called coffee.get description, because of the chain hierarchy, if you can imagine. So previously we added milk object to that, so this is how it calls. So then coffee.get description and calls espresso, milk, and sugar. So this is how it is being run at runtime. We can do it in runtime also. I can show you. So yeah, if you can see, espresso espresso is being done, then milk, then sugar. It's how the hierarchy works. So first we added milk, then sugar, then the cost is being calculated. So the same way instant coffee also works. Okay, so you can check, like first we add instant coffee, then to that we add web, then to that we add sugar, then we add sugar. So if you can see the output in instant coffee, web, sugar, and cost is being calculated. And at last, once again, the person wanted web, so then we pass that object to web. So then web is being instantiated and cost is being calculated. So that's how decorator pattern. I'll share this code. Feel free to, in the description, feel free to check it out. Thanks. I think this is the best example for decorator at one place. Means I have seen different videos, they haven't given example, like they will be having in multiple files, but this is jotted down in a single file. This helps you a lot. Thank you. And this content is being taken from JetBrains. Feel free to check it out, JetBrains. That's an amazing site. Thank you.